Hello students, today you will learn lesson 19 of SS Standard 10 Human Development. We were on page number 162. Okay, block at the top, things to know. For calculating Human Development Index, highest and lowest value of every criterion is decided. Okay, highest value and lowest value of every criteria is decided. Every index is calculated according to formula on the basis of its human development. Okay, and there is formula to find the human development index. Its rate is between 0 to 1 for any country. HDI depicts the difference that has to be covered to reach maximum 1. HDI means Human Development Index, depicts the difference that has to be covered to reach maximum 1. So any country can progress up to maximum level 1. This difference is useful in comparing human development between various nations. So this index, this figure, okay, through this figure we can compare development in human resources between different countries. On the basis of it, it could be known that country is developing in which direction. So we can know with the economical development, is human development taking place or not? How much back and forth it is in comparison to other countries? How much is country lagging or country is going forward? Now, Human Development Report. Since 1990, Human Development Report HDR is published every year. Every year, HDR of different countries is published, Human Development Report. Human Development Index of 188 countries included in Human Development Report 2015 is divided into 4 sections as per details given in the table below. Norway 0.94 tops the list. That means Norway is on the first rank in Human Development Index. Australia 0.93 place on second position, and Switzerland 0.93 on third position. While Asian country Singapore 0.912 is on the 11th position. India with HDI Human Development Index 0.609 is at 130th position. So India is lagging very backward in Human Development Index. Among 188 countries, India's position is at 130th among 188 countries. It means it is included in the category of medium human development countries. Okay, firstly we saw countries having human development index 0.094, 0.093. Okay, they are in first group. Then this is medium development countries. So it is included in the category of medium human development countries. In this report, Niger is at the bottom of the list, as for example at 188 position with 0.348 HDI. So Niger is at the lowest in human development. Now we will see table classification of countries on the basis of Human Development Index as per Human Development Report. Classification, division. C, serial number, first 2, 3, 4. Then countries with human development. Countries with human development. Highest, first is highest human development. Second is high human development. Third is medium human development. Fourth is low human development. Okay. Then division order. 1 to 49, that means total there are 188 countries. So in first 1 to 49 countries, then 52, 105 countries, then 106 to 143 countries, and then 114 to 188 countries. Then Human Development Index above 0.8 or above 0.802. So there are some main countries' name have been given. Okay, Norway, Australia, Switzerland, Denmark, Netherlands, America, Singapore, Britain, Japan, and France, and some other countries. Okay, so these countries have above Human Development Index above 0.802. So they have good done, okay, in human development field. Then countries having 0.7 to 0.798 Human Development Index. Okay, these countries are lying in the group of 50 to 105 countries. So about 49 countries are included in one group. Okay, 1 to 49, then 50 to 105. So high human development, okay, took place in the countries like Russia, Malaysia, Iran, Sri Lanka, Mexico, Brazil, China, Thailand, and Jamaica. In some other countries have Human Development Index between 0.7 to 0.798. Then medium human development countries, okay, 106 to 143. So these countries have medium development in human development field. So Human Development Index between 0.555 to 0.698. Indonesia, Philippines, South Africa, Iraq, India. Okay. So total Human Development Index, okay, varies from 0 to 1. So here it is 0.555 to 0.6. So it is in the middle. Okay. So it is called medium human development. Then low human development, okay, countries from 144 to 188, below 0.55. Human development is below 0.55. So that means they are less than 0.5. So countries Kenya, Pakistan, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, and Niger. This country has very less development in human development field. Human Development Index of India was 0.428 in the year 1990, 0.49 in the year 2000. So in 10 years, okay, we progress. Our Human Development Index increased from 0.42 to 0.49. Then 0.0586 in the year 2010, it was 0.586 in the year 2010, and it was 0.604 in the year 2014. So this is big jump. Okay, 0.58 to 0.64. In 4 years, India developed very much. And 0.609 in the year 2015, it was thus progressive improvement has been observed. So India is progressing fast in human development field. Okay students, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.